So how do you save email to Google Drive on your iPhone? And let's get started. So it kind of depends on what exactly you want to do, but if you would like to save like stuff from the attachments, well, there is a way how you can do this. I'm going to assume that you are using the Apple Mail application, and if you open up this one, you're going to be able to find and get inside of your mail applications and stuff, and you can see that there are so many different things and um, options of what might be included in that email, right? So there might be like a PDF attachment or something, and if you have that, you can hold down on it and then click on a share. And when you click on a share, this like sheet is going to pop up from the bottom with so many different apps and options which you can use. So scroll through the list if you can find the Google Drive icon. If not, then click on more and Google Drive should appear right there. So essentially you need to click on it, and this will allow you to essentially upload the attachment from email into your Google Drive. And as you get in here, you also get to pick the account. So if you have multiple accounts added into your Google Drive, you also get to pick to which you're going to upload it, and also pick a folder and perhaps even sharing option. And you can click on upload and it will be right there. So it is a very simple method on how you can just grab attachments from your email and put them into your Google Drive. If you use this feature a lot, I would actually recommend you to get the Gmail app from Google, which allows you to put it there a little, in a little simpler way, because, obviously the Google Drive and Gmail are like the same account and integrated. So if you just get an attachment inside of the Gmail app, you can put it to Google Drive with just a quick click of one button. So it's a little easier to do it, but I'm not saying that it's like obviously impossible with the blue mail from Apple. So whichever mail client you use, you can do this, but with the Gmail one, it's a little easier. So that's how you can achieve this. Let me know below in the comments if you could pull it off. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in the future videos.